One in four flood claims come from homes outside high risk flood zones. Only 15% of U.S. homes are insured against flood. In high risk zones, just 30% have flood coverage. 76% of damage from Hurricane Irma and Harvey was uninsured. That is 76%. Even if you don't live near water, you're not safe. Rivers overflow, drainage fails, it rains, it floods. And FEMA, not a guarantee. And let me say that again. And FEMA, not a guarantee. Get the truth about flood risks, premiums, and why your current policy probably won't cut it. New episode now live on Beyond the Claim.